Hello everyone, I am here with a Factory Direct Craft haul, and this is the first time that I've ever purchased from Factory Direct Craft. So I'm hoping that I do like the items I purchased. I have been needing to restock on some items that I've used up, and then also I'm always on the lookout for interesting items to use in the projects that I create. So let's get started here. And I have not really gone through the items that I have, so I'm not sure what they're like. If anyone has ever purchased from them, they are Factory Direct Craft. Please leave a comment down below and let me know if you like them, if you've had good success with their products, and I would love to hear from you. So hopefully these items, I'll like them, and maybe I can purchase from this company again in the future. They had some clearance going on, and then if you spend a certain amount, I believe it was $50, then you get free shipping. So I always like to get free shipping. So the first thing I have here, these cute little bunnies. And they have a cute little bow. These, I believe, were on clearance, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But I thought they would make cute little embellishments. And then I needed to restock on some cupcake embellishments. And I thought these were adorable. And I guess, yes, they're felt. So I'm looking forward to trying those out. I had a bunch similar to this. They were a lot bigger, and I don't know where I got them from. It could have been a thrift store. I'm not sure, but I love them. They worked great in the projects that I do, and I have not been able to find any. So I'm hoping that I like these cupcake stickers as well. And then here are some more felt. It says treat stickers, but as you can see, they are cupcakes and some little candy pieces there. So I'm hoping they work out. They're cute with the little buttons on them, so I think they'll work out great. And then I got a couple different packages just with different colors to give me some variety. And then I purchased these burlap daisies, and they have the little pearl center, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe these might have been 99 cents or something like that. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Okay, I was trying to find the packaging slip to let you know how much those were, but I cannot find them. I also got these crocheted butterfly and flowers. They're cute. I'm looking at them. This one doesn't really look like a butterfly, but the other ones are pretty cute. And I believe these were also on clearance or sale for 99 cents or something like that anyway. I found this cute as a button ribbon. This is adorable. Like I said, I'm always looking for unique and different items for the journals that I make, more specifically the baby books. So I thought this would really look cute in a baby book, cute as a button. I'm not sure how much is on here, but I know it was a pretty good deal. I would have to, 25 yards. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I have a project that I'm going to be working on, and it will have a circus theme. So I was really happy to find these circus themed journaling spots, and these will work perfect in the project I'm getting ready to work on. So I was excited to find that, and then also more circus themed items. It looks like they're trim, assorted garlands it says, but I think they'll work perfect as trim and garlands in a project I'm getting ready to work on. So they were also on clearance, so I was happy to find that. Then I found this Scrap Treasures. I believe it says specialty papers, tags, and envelopes. So I'm not sure. I have not opened it up yet. I don't know if everything matches. It was on sale or clearance for a really good price. So I do use a lot of tags and figured I could definitely use that. And then I have some projects in mind for myself that I thought I could use this for. So we'll see what... Let me just open this up and see. It looked to me kind of like more of a vintage, yeah, see, like Victorian theme, and I do like that. That is one of the styles that I do like. This looks like some printed images, I guess you can cut apart. Then we have some different scrap papers, more images. So just a bunch of different images. And then we have a package of assorted tags here. And that's really pretty. I do like that, kind of shabby looking. And I think this is just a piece of cardboard to hold everything, but you could certainly use that on projects. Okay, and then we have some of this, I don't know if it's homemade paper or what it is, but it has some nice texture to it. And then, okay, so these are also scrap pieces and some full-size pieces of cardstock. Not exactly what I thought it would be, but it will get used. It will not go to waste. And if I can't use it, I will definitely, the price was so good, I will definitely pass that along. Okay, so then I purchased these die cuts, and they do have a woodland theme to them, and I needed some of this type of embellishments for a project that I'll be working on with a woodland, kind of a woodland theme. Okay, oh, and we have some more of the cupcakes here, and it looks like some of them have come off their foam pop-up adhesive, so that's not a huge issue because I typically put even more adhesive on the back of them to make sure they stay put. Alright, so then they had some treat bags on clearance, I believe, for 59 cents. So I thought these would be great for treats at Christmas time. So I picked up those, and I got some couple polka dot, couple of the striped. And then I also picked up some black and white chevron. I thought those would work great for Halloween. And I'm always looking for frames. These are cards, I believe, but I use them in projects. Yes. Okay, so here's the card, and then here's the frame, so you would put the picture in and then attach it to the card. But I will just use these for frames and journals that I create. So I thought they were really cute, and I think they were a great price as well, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I can't find the price, but I think they were a really good price, but I thought they were very cute. So then I just got a little variety pack here of all sorts of things. I do get a lot of requests for moon and sky and things like that, so I thought these little moons would look cute. I don't know if I'll leave them rustic. I paint a lot of things, so those will probably be painted at some point. I also wanted to try out these wooden blank ornaments. I have, oh, that one is way off, so I don't like the way that one was cut. So in that, I guess they're all like that. So that's why I only purchased a few. I wanted to see what they look like because sometimes you never know what you get. But I do have 3 grandsons, so we'll probably do some craft projects with those for Christmas time. And then I definitely wanted to check this one out because I do have some ideas for first baby ornaments for those. So we'll see how that works out. Then the other things I found, which I'd never seen before, these are creative tags. And then they have a space for a small photo. So I wanted to try these out, and I thought they would be bigger. I didn't really pay attention to the size too much, but I think that they will still work. I mean, even if you put some scrapbook paper in there and turn them into a cute little embellishment, that would work as well. So I'll try those out. They were on clearance, and they were a good price, so I thought I would try those out. I got a few different sizes. These are the rectangle size, so I got a few packages of those. I got a few packages of the tag shaped, and then I got some of these creative tags. They're already pre-cut. I do make tags like this myself, but the price was so good I figured they did all the work for me, and they have the holes, so I figured I would go ahead and purchase those. Here's a scrap pack of tags, all sorts of different tags. Again, I typically make my own, but the price was so good that I figured I would give it a shot. And then other than that, I think that is about it. They did include a little gift from FDC, Factory Direct Craft, and it's little bow embellishments. And I do use bows on a lot of things. These are acrylic, so I'm sure I will find a use for them. If not, I will definitely pass them along to somebody. But that was unexpected and very nice of them to do that. So far, I am pleased with the items that I purchased, and I cannot wait to use them. And hopefully I will purchase from Factory Direct Craft again in the future. I would love to hear from anyone if you have purchased from Factory Direct Craft, and let me know your thoughts and comments about them if you've had some good experiences with this company and their products. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.